So here we have got the PDF of Science Syllabus Term 2 of 10th Standard. First of all, I would like to brief you about the pattern that has been introduced this year only. So you know that class 10th board examination is divided into two terms, term 1 and term 2, right? In term 1, MCQ exams are over and internal assessment was also there. MCQ of 40 marks and internal assessment of 10 marks. Total goes like 50 marks. Okay. In term 2, subjective examination will be there and again one internal assessment of 10 marks. In subjective examination, that will be of 40 marks. Total it will make 50 marks again. Right. Now we are going to discuss about the syllabus of this subjective examination that will be there. Okay. So let's move on directly to the term 2. So here we have the term 2 syllabus. The syllabus consists of 4 themes and each theme consists of 1 or 2 chapters. Marks have been written here. Okay. So first of all we will go to the first theme, that is chemical substances. So chemical substances, first of all the first chapter is chapter 4, carbon and its compounds, that actually we are discussing right now on our YouTube channel. Okay. First of all the parts that are going to be there, I will discuss that and also be telling you about the reduced syllabus that has been deleted. And let me tell you one thing, that I am going to explain all the deleted portions in my YouTube channel. So you can definitely go and watch the videos there. First is covalent bonding in carbon compounds. This is 4.1 that is going to be there. Okay. Okay. After this, we are able to see versatile nature of carbon. In versatile nature, you will be discussing about catenation and tetravalency. Okay. This DP means deleted portion. In this one, saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds wala portion has been deleted. Okay, chains, branches and rings you will have to study. Will you be my friend will also be discussed over here. Homologous series after that. Okay, so you can say that saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds has been deleted. After this, complete nomenclature has been deleted. But I would like to tell all my students that nomenclature you should at least study to the basic level so that you do not face much difficulty in class 11th. Okay. After this, the chemical properties wala portion, that is 4.3. This has also been deleted. So do not study chemical properties, that is okay, but please see this nomenclature part. Now move on to chapter number 5, that is periodic classification of elements. In this complete chapter, nothing has been deleted. You will have to study whole chapter. Then the next theme, the world of the living, means biology. In this, we will have to see 2 chapters, how do organisms reproduce and heredity and evolution. Okay, in this first one means chapter number 8, complete chapter you are supposed to study. Nothing has been deleted, so that's the best part because this is going to help you a lot if you are going to choose biology for class 11th. Then in the next chapter, chapter number 9, heredity and evolution, 9.1 and 9.2 you are supposed to study thoroughly. After 9.3 means 9.3 onwards all the portion has been deleted. So evolution is there in 9.3. So all the part has been reduced. So you need not study that. Okay. After this, let's move on to physics part. In chapter number 12, electricity, the deleted portion is 12.1, 12.2 and 12.3. So you know, if you are going to study Ohm's law, you need to study the circuit diagram or the electric current, electric circuit. All of these things you should be aware of. So all of these things have been discussed in these 3 portions which have been reduced. So I do not know why this has been reduced, but no problem. According to the syllabus it has been reduced, but when you are going to study all of these things, you'll have to study this. Okay, then in chapter number 13, magnetic effects of current, most of the things are there, nothing has been reduced, just only last part, that is 13.6 and 13.7, in which the generator has been given, so that is not there in the syllabus, and domestic electric circuits, both of these topics are not there in the syllabus, so you can skip that. Okay, then the last chapter is natural resources, that is our environment. This is only for internal assessment, so you might get some of the projects over here. It was all about the term 2 syllabus for science subject. Let me once again tell you that all the reduced portion will be covering over here in this YouTube channel. So if you are searching for a channel where all the reduced portions are discussed, you can follow this channel. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.